Google, one of the largest, if not the largest company all around the world. A lot of you watching this video, including myself, knows and uses Google for our everyday needs to search for any data that we want to know about, whether it is about gaming, news, health, or whatever it is. They have it all. But did you know that you can also utilize it to make and earn a lot of money? Yes, you heard that right. We can easily earn passive income by just using Google. And you may think that, how have I not known this? Well, today is your lucky day, because in today's video, I will show you a secret that not a lot of people know, wherein you will earn as easily and as fast as possible by just using Google. Amazing, right? Not only that, this method is free and works anywhere around the world. So anyone that is watching this video right now can easily do this. And later, I am going to show you a simple tool that you can use to double or even triple your income, and you can earn around $400 in as little as 30 minutes. So if you are ready and excited to learn this strategy, stay tuned until the very end of this video. Anyways, just before I show you everything, if you like this type of content, then show your support by giving this video a thumbs up below. With that said, I would like to welcome everyone to Smart Money Girl. In this channel, I love teaching people how to build a business and make money online the smart way. And if you don't want to miss out on more videos, then make sure you click that subscribe button down below and make sure to turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. With that said, guys, let's jump straight into the video. Hey everyone! So as I mentioned, we are going to use Google for this unique strategy. So go on over to Google and search for Google News right here. Then click this one right here, which will redirect you to this page. And we can see right here that there are a lot of updated and different types of news around here. They literally have everything. Amazing! But considering we are currently in a pandemic, let's use the health category as an example. So click health right here and you will be redirected to this page. We can see a lot of health-related articles right here, so just pick one you prefer. Let's say this one right here. But you might be thinking, what do we even do with this information? Well, we are going to use these professionally made articles and copy some paragraphs and copy it onto our next website that is completely free and will help us paraphrase this article. Here we are for step number 2. So this is not actually the website that will pay us, but this will help our lives be much easier. So right here, it says article spinning, text rewriting, and content creation tool. And we have here a huge box wherein we input the text that we will be rewritten. So basically, this website allows you to paraphrase any text or article so that it will be much more different and unique rather than the original. So after you copy the text, just click on I am not a robot right here, click go, and done! So the name of this website is actually spinbot.com. Now let's try and copy the article we just picked. Copy this paragraph right here and paste it over here. Click on I am not a robot, then click on go. And if you scroll down a little bit, you will have your rewritten and unique text. Amazing, right? This is very effective for us as it will help us be original and not be plagiarized while also being fast and easy. So from these newly rewritten articles, we will now gain a stable source of income. But how exactly? Well, in the next step, I will show you 3 different websites where you can post 3 articles. So watch until the very end so I can guide you all throughout this video. If you liked what you are viewing and learning in this video, please smash the like button and comment down below what country you are watching this video from. This will help maintain my strategies be effective worldwide. I'm really excited to see them. Now, back on the video. Let's now proceed to the first website that will pay us for our work. It says right here, ready for enthusiastic users, we deliver the right content. We also have in here a lot of huge companies that trust this website. We have the likes of Staples, eBay, and a lot more. Not just that, this website also has over 80,000 satisfied clients worldwide, which is a huge amount if you ask me. So you can see that this is a very reliable and effective website that has already helped a lot of people. The name of this website is actually taxbroker.com. Now, I want you to go on over to the top right of the homepage and click on Write Content right here and click on Payment, which will bring you to this page. So you can see right here how much money you can actually earn. This will be based on the quality of your articles, which have different prices. But take note, guys, that they pay you per word. Yes, per single word. And using the tool and strategy I showed you earlier, find quality and professionally made articles and post it around here. Then, you will easily get 4 to 5 star ratings fast and easy. Just like that. And you will create a stable and passive income very easily. Imagine finding a very thoroughly written and well-made article that is composed of, let's say, 4,000 words. Then how much money will that be? Well, a lot. You can actually check how much it is by scrolling down a little bit and use this counter right here. So a 4,000 words well-written article and 5-star rating will earn you around $200. Just that easy. Amazing! Let me show you the second website that will be paying us. So right here it says, creating more content online than any other writing service on the planet since 2011. So they are already an established website. If we scroll down a little bit, we can see the 5 easy steps to get paid around here. We can also see that there have been over 6,394 jobs posted in the last 30 days and 1,519 writers, which is a huge amount. We can also see that as a writer, you can earn over $80 per 500 words once you get promoted. Amazing, right? This website is actually called iWriter.com. So scroll back down and click on Become an iWriter today, fill up the necessary information, and you're done. You will now have multiple websites paying you easily and fast. Amazing! Now, we are here on the final website that can pay you for your articles. There are actually a lot of companies that trust this website. We have Adobe, Adidas, IBM, and a lot more. This is similar to the 2 websites I mentioned. And look at this, guys. Over 150,000 people have applied to become a writer around here. Not only that, over 300 million words have been written. Now that's a very huge number. And I mean a very huge number indeed. So the name of this website is actually scripted.com. Scroll on over to the top right of the website and click on Become a Writer right here, which will bring you to this page. Right here, it says that in just 1 month of 2020, scripted writers have made over $1 million. Now that is a lot of money. And they also have 37 different industries that you choose your expertise on and focus on it. So just click on Apply Now right here and it will bring you to this page. Fill up the necessary information right here and you are set. So for all these websites, you can choose what pays the best in your location, and by using Spinbot and Google News and easily passing to them all these 3 articles at the same time, a lot of passive income will come your way. So if you followed every single step in this video, then you will find it easy to make a lot of money. Just as easy as that. And now we've reached the end of today's video. If you liked it, don't forget to show your love and support by giving this video a thumbs up below. And if you want to keep up to date with all my next uploads, then make sure you click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Thank you for watching everyone, and I'll see you all soon in my next Smart Ways to Make Money Online.